Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and to all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about Madam Glam's VIP subscription service. So I do have these two boxes from Madam Glam, and my first order was 3 polishes and their cuticle oil. And my second order was 3 more polishes. So this is not a sponsored ad. However, if Madam Glam wants to sponsor me, I am down for that. So essentially you sign up for their VIP subscription service, and then they charge your card each month, whether or not you buy something. However, that charge never goes away. So it just turns into store credits. And what it allows you to do is just buy everything on their site for half off. So all of these polishes were about $10 each, and the cuticle oil was $12. That's with the VIP subscription service. So all of their products are vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, so I guess they're healthy. But this cuticle oil is, the ingredients are jojoba oil, vitamin E, and vitamin B. So yes, I put a lot of cuticle oil on because I have extremely dry skin. So I do cuticle oil like twice a day. I keep one in my purse. The ones I keep in my purse are from Nailed by Nikki. You guys probably already know who she is. So yes, I keep her cuticle oils in my purse. So and then I do another application at night or after my evening shower. So I have really dry skin, so I need cuticle oil twice a day. And I really like this cuticle oil because it absorbs. So yeah, it looks a little greasy right now, a little oily right now, but it absorbs really, really well into your skin, and it smells nice. I'm not a real fragrant person, so the smell kind of dissipates, so I do like that. So anyways, I'm just gonna do some swatches for you in this video using my Model 1's base and top coat. This is the same formula. They have 3 different bottles. It's the same formula for all of them. So the first color that I'm doing is Blair Waldorf, and that is a teal turquoise. Let's say it's more turquoise. One thing that I have to do is work a little bit on my lighting so we can get more of the truer colors. So that's something that I'll be working on in the next couple weeks, is my lighting. So when I'm swatching, it's true to what is on the screen. So the second color is called Jungle Beat, and it's literally Blair Waldorf, but brighter. So it's a brighter teal color. And if you've listened to me talk before, teals, pinks, purples, those are my go-to colors. So this is one of their newer colors, their Hollow collection. I didn't get the whole collection. I just got the colors that I like, which has a pink base, which is also one of my favorites. And this one is called Candy Cane. This is my first time using Madam Glam products, and what I found with these swatches is that first coat goes on amazing, and it is so pigmented. These are really creamy, and they are a little thick. It's also winter time, so, well, fall. It's gonna be winter on the 21st, which might be today. Actually was yesterday, the day that I was recording. So yeah, this it is winter time, so your gel polishes are a little bit thicker, whatever. Someone did suggest putting the bottle in warm water. However, I would not do that with these bottles for the simple fact that the labels are paper, and I don't want the labels to get all yucky. So I know that someone else uses a candle warmer, but to heat up their polishes and gels, but they put something in between so the bottle's not directly on the candle warmer. Haven't tried that yet. That might be something that I try. Just got to figure out what to kind of put in the middle, because you technically don't want to heat up the polishes. It might change the consistency. There's chemicals in there, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, this color is called Hockney, and it's a bright fuchsia color. These colors are a lot brighter in person than they are showing up on camera. So now I'm just going in with my top coat. That's not necessarily needed. If you get that smooth first coat, you probably can get away using these polishes with just one coat. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me add the second coat, then I'm gonna come in and run through each color one by one. And definitely, the other thing I noticed about these polishes is it does not have a heavy smell. They do smell, but it's not like a chemical-y smell. It does smell like gel polish, but it's very, very faint. So that's another good thing for some of us that get headaches easy and that are sensitive to smells. So after my second coat, I will show you these individually one by one and go over the color names. I did leave my top coating in because I know that people do like to see that. However, these were already pretty shiny, so adding the top coat didn't change it too much. So anyways, here are the colors that I got. The first one was Blair Waldorf, and so that's a teal, not teal, more of a turquoise color. The second one is Jungle Beat, which also is a turquoise color, but it's a little bit brighter than Blair Waldorf. So Blair is more of a like a fall-ish color, and then Jungle Beat's more of a summer because it is bright, and they are showing up a little bit more blue on camera than they actually are. They're more turquoise. Again, I think that's due to my lighting, so that's something I will be working on in the next couple weeks. But here they are side by side, so you could kind of see the difference, but these are very, very pretty colors. And this is their from their Hollow collection, and this one is called Candy Cane, and that's 2 coats. This is so pretty, and in person just like gorgeous. It picks up on all the colors, so I really like that color. I also like this color too. It's called Cheek to Cheek. However, my swatch stick, I did write the wrong name on there, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. And the thing I like about these swatch sticks is I use a permanent marker, but I just use a little bit of alcohol and just wipe it off, and then I could just put the correct name. So that's one of the good things about the swatch sticks. I know some people use stickers or whatever, but for me, I like a permanent marker and then just the swatch stick. And I like to put, for my swatches that I use, I like to put the brand, the name of the color, and then if it's a gel polish, acrylic, or whatever. So anyways, this color is Feast Your Nails, and it is a mauve color, perfect for fall, however, wear it when you want. And the last one is Hockney. So it is a very bright fuchsia color. It is appearing a little bit darker on camera, but it is a very bright fuchsia color. So this wasn't a collection. These are just colors that I picked out because I kind of just wanted to try Madam Glam and just kind of see how it was. I do see a lot of people love it, and I do not know it took me so long to get some of these polishes. So I am going to come back this week. I do have an idea in mind for a full set. I'm going to be using a couple of these colors from this video. So make sure that you are subscribed, and if you want to turn on the notification bell, do that as well so you can see what design that I come up with. It will be a video of me doing my own nails. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Leave me any comments down below. Have you guys tried Madam Glam? Let me know what you think. What are some of your favorite colors from the company? Yeah, that's about it. So definitely come back on Wednesday. Wednesday's video should be of me doing my nails using a couple of these colors. I just got to figure out if I want to use gel, poly gel, you know, that whole thing. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. I really do appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on Wednesday, which is Christmas, but you're still getting a video on Wednesday. So I'll see you guys back Wednesday for another video. Thanks for watching.